Kulish pun vibro kene kalong kajing tip nam ta kitu ki bakwa bane shimenta kajing mare marathon ka Fit India Freedom Run 4.0 Office of the District Sports Officer West Kharsil District organized the Office of the District Sports Officer West Kharsil District in collaborate with the Batka District Administration yang Eastern West Kharsil kin organize ka Freedom Run ka balong 10 kilometer mo ka depo merang magane Eastern West kategori kanon ka men and women kanon ka men and women to all resident of Eastern West Kharsil kanon kanen marka race kanon haman lagi district lada ki penlong te kanen sya wetang nam ta ki resident yang Eastern West Kharsil tika first prize kare 1000 second prize kare 1000 third prize kare 8000 but ki consolation prize na du basaw hadu ba shipho registration hapo DC office Eastern West Kharsil during office hour last date for registration kan day live 3 Oktober arjar fly akan mau ban late register ladi lada pikwa ban ya simenta Tuesday karis kan day Tuesday live 3 Oktober arjar fly ndru sitang men step starting and finishing kan day biapo DC office Eastern West Kharsil district kene keretang nam ta ginong Eastern West Kharsil district tetapi day hapo Eastern West Kharsil district ko apne simenta kala ban late register ladi nam ta kene karis tangi ne jom tip khule shubun